Here is my friend, the sheep, munching away on grass. Let's see if I can get her to do a trick. Come on, get up. Good girl. Yum, 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 yum. I love grass. That's probably what she's thinking. I'll get you some more. Here she is. She loves the grass. And that's that.